Want to know the top ways to attract beneficial insects to your garden? Well, you're in the right place. These little helpers play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy garden ecosystem. So stay tuned as we reveal the top 7 ways to attract these helpful critters to your garden. Starting off at number 7, plant native species. Embracing indigenous flora not only enhances biodiversity, but also beckons beneficial insects. These insects have co-evolved with local plants, forming a symbiotic relationship. So, filling your garden with native plants is a surefire way to invite beneficial insects. Moving on to number 6, provide a water source. A simple bird bath or shallow dish filled with water provides a welcoming oasis for beneficial insects. This small gesture encourages them to stick around, enhancing your garden's natural balance. Remember, a little water can go a long way in attracting these helpful critters. Coming in at number 5, avoid chemical pesticides. These often harm beneficial insects, disrupting the natural balance of your garden. By choosing organic solutions, you maintain a healthy environment that welcomes these helpful critters. By saying no to chemical pesticides, you're saying yes to beneficial insects. At number 4, we have create shelter. Picture your garden as a bustling city for insects. Providing a variety of shelters like leaf piles or log stacks creates a hospitable environment for these beneficial creatures. A sheltered garden is a haven for beneficial insects. Moving up to number 3, plant a variety. A diverse array of plants means a diverse array of insects. Different plants attract different beneficial bugs, enhancing your garden's natural defense system. So, variety is key. A diverse garden is an inviting garden for beneficial insects. At number 2, we have include night-blooming flowers. These floral wonders not only add charm to your garden, but also play a pivotal role in attracting nocturnal beneficial insects. From pollinators to pest controllers, night-blooming flowers are a sure way to attract a variety of beneficial insects. Finally, at number 1, we recommend leaving some weeds. Yes, you heard it right. Some weeds can be beneficial in attracting insects to your garden. They provide food and habitat for these tiny allies. A few weeds can be the perfect invitation for beneficial insects. So there you have it, the top 7 ways to attract beneficial insects to your garden. Each step, from planting native species to leaving some weeds, plays a crucial role in creating a vibrant, healthy garden. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!